Patriot Day, meaning Patriot Day, is a federal holiday in the United States commemorating and remembering the terrorist events of September 11, 2001. The day is dedicated to commemorating and honoring those who perished on September 11, 2001, and in the aftermath, notably at the Twin Towers of the World Trade Center in New York City, the Pentagon, and Pennsylvania. Memorial services and other solemn ceremonies are frequently held. To memorialize the incident, a minute of silence is sometimes held at 8:46 a.m., and the American flag is sometimes flown at half-mast in a show of national sadness. However, the name Patriot Day is not widely used. Instead, the day is often referred to as the anniversary of 9/11, or the anniversary of the bombing of the World Trade Center September 11th. Patriot Day should not be confused with Patriots' Day, a different holiday observed in Massachusetts and Maine in commemoration of the Battle of Lexington and Concord, which began the American Revolution.